One of only 85 cars commissioned by Shelby American, this Commemorative 66 GT40 combines storied heritage with excellent build quality and unbeatable performance. And since it's listed in the Shelby Registry, the Shelby GT40 Registry, and the Superformance GT40 Registry, this investment-grade sports car is virtually guaranteed to remain an all-American icon. One of the biggest selling points of the Shelby GT40 85th Commemorative Edition is authenticity. This car is so close to its Le Mans winning forebears that roughly 2/3 of its components can be interchanged with an original Mark II. Both cars use the same dimensions, employ the same stamped steel roof design, and cross the scales at roughly the same weight. Where they differ is the simple fact that commemorative editions utilize much improved electro-galvanized steel, which is sure to look great for decades sporting this car's official Gurney Grant paint scheme. And that livery is detailed to the fullest with period-correct features and Shelby branding. The interior is every bit as nice as its bright red shell. You'll find original style bucket seats that stretch upgraded leather surfaces under authentic grommets and sturdy Williams belts. A matte dash hangs original style Smith's gauges between push-button ignition, a Speed Hut GPS speedometer, and a sequential 85th Commemorative Edition plaque. Carroll Shelby branded carpet bridges the gap between an adjustable pedal box, door-mounted air conditioning, and a small console that frames a shifter, and a leather-wrapped Motolita steering wheel laps a detachable hub. Lift the clamshell and you'll find 468 cubic inches of aluminum Shelby FE that twists 559 dyno-proven horsepower into 603 pound-feet of torque. That CNC machined block sends its fuel-injected power through a McLeod clutch to a ZF 5-speed transmission. With impressive performance, classic looks, and incredible provenance, this pristine coupe provides unmatched exclusivity. Combining storied Shelby design with brutal FE power and 21st century build techniques, it's a virtually new, highly authentic example of one of the most desirable sports cars ever created. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.